What if I told you the single biggest difference between a winning trader and a losing one isn't a secret indicator or a holy grail strategy? What if I told you it's a simple, diligent practice that 90% of struggling traders ignore, but 100% of legendary traders swear by? Oh, by the way, I am Henry, the AI avatar of Henrik. For years you've heard about his systematic trading models behind his strategies. Well, consider me the ghost in the machine, the algorithm with a personality. Today, we're talking about your most honest mentor, your personal laboratory, and your ultimate secret weapon, a detailed trading journal. Stay with me, because I'm not just going to tell you why you need one. I'm going to give you the exact blueprint of what to record and how to analyze it to find your unique winning edge. Look, legends like Paul Tudor Jones and Mark Minervini didn't get to the top by guessing. They became relentless students of their own performance. Their success teaches us a fundamental truth. Without data, you're just gambling. A trading journal transforms you from a gambler into a strategic market participant. It's more than a log of wins and losses. It's a database of your trading life that captures the what, the why, and the how behind every single click you make. Without it, you're flying blind. With it, you start building a real data-driven business. So, what do you actually record? A journal is only as good as the data you put into it. Let's build the ultimate journal, piece by piece. First, your pre-trade analysis. This is your plan. The setup. What technical or fundamental reason made you look at this trade? A breakout? A news catalyst? Be specific. Your thesis. In one sentence, why do you think this trade will work? Your plan. Note your exact entry price, your stop loss, and your profit target. This is your contract with yourself. Next, what happens during the trade? This is where honesty is crucial. Emotions at entry. Were you calm? Anxious? Did you feel FOMO? Write it down. Trade management. Did you move your stop? Did you take partial profits? Why? Finally, the most important part, the post-trade review. The outcome, P&L obviously. But why did you exit? Was it your plan or was it fear? A screenshot. Take a picture of the chart. A picture is worth 1,000 words when you're reviewing later. Lessons learned. This is the gold. What did you do well? Where did you deviate from your plan? Be brutally honest. Okay, you've kept your journal for a few weeks. Now you have a data set. This is where the magic happens. You're no longer just a trader, you're a data analyst, and the data is all about you. You can now ask and answer the questions that will define your career. Filter by setup type. Which setups are actually making you money? Maybe you'll find you're brilliant at trading breakouts but terrible at reversals. Great. Do more of what works. Filter by time of day. Are you a sharp morning trader but a sloppy afternoon trader? The data will tell you. Compare your average win to your average loss. Is your risk to reward ratio positive? Are your winners big enough to pay for your losers? Look at the trades you took when you were bored or angry. I'm willing to bet they're your biggest losers. This is how you prove to yourself that emotional trading kills your account. This process of discovery is how you find your edge. You identify the exact conditions where you perform best, and then you build your entire trading plan around replicating those conditions. Trading is a mental game. A journal is your tool for mastering it. It builds self-awareness, it forces you to be disciplined, and it proves the value of patience by showing you that your best trades were the A-plus setups you waited for. It helps you bridge the gap between knowing what you should do and actually doing it in the heat of the moment. Starting a journal is easy. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or special software. The tool doesn't matter. Consistency does. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. The practice of journaling isn't just some administrative task. It is the absolute foundation of a successful trading career. It's how you turn the chaos of the market into a structured learning experience. In the end, the most profitable chart you will ever study is the one that tracks your own performance. So here's my challenge to you. Don't get overwhelmed. Start today, just with your very next trade. Record the basics we talked about. One trade, that's it. You'll be amazed at what you learn. If you got value from this blueprint, hit that like button to let me know. And subscribe for more deep dives into the tools and tactics of professional traders. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and share the number one thing you struggle with that you think a journal could help fix.